Hi friends. Today I am going to teach you to make a toy with a sheet of paper. This is how it works. It is very easy to make. And please try it. For making this toy, first you need a square sheet of paper. First fold the paper in half. And fold the sides to the middle mark that we made. Then fold it in the other way. And fold the two short sides to the middle mark. Then fold this diagonally like this. And unfold it. Do this again on the other side also. Then grab right here and flap out like this. And same thing to the other sides. Then squash the corners like this. Do the same to the other four sides also. And pull the corner and fold it like this. Do the same to the other four sides. Now fold two corners up like this. And do the same to the other side. Then fold the edge to the top. Do the same to the other side also. Now take out the corners, just pull the corner like this and fold it. And take the flap and tuck it inside. Do the same to the all four sides. Then bring back the edges together. Then turn over and do like this. This will make a small square shape. Then make squash corners like this. We have 4 corners, so we need to make 3 more squash corners like this. Then open up and separate the other corners. Now we just have to open it up and we are done. This toy can be used as a stress reliever also. Thanks for watching this video, hope you enjoy. Try this. God bless you. Stay tuned. Bye bye.